Hey everyone, thanks for checking in. This is Michel Bron with the Bron Realty Group, and this is our August 2021 newsletter video. We're putting it out just a few days late because we've been really busy with this really crazy market out there, and also because today is our wedding anniversary. Jacqueline and I have been married 9 years, and we work together, and we are still married, so I think that deserves a big congratulations to us. So moving on to the real estate information. First of all, let's start with mortgages. Everybody always wants to know about rates and where they are and where they are going. So in terms of mortgage applications, mortgage applications are starting to show some normalization. After reaching the highest levels nearly a decade last summer, the level of mortgage applications has begun to normalize. Currently, applications are running slightly behind 2019 levels during the same point in the year. In terms of rates, rates are still historically very, very low, but it looks like they're easing up modestly. Mortgage projections are that by the end of 2021, we will be around 3.37%, and by second quarter of 2022, so around April of next year, they should be around 3.57. How did they come up with these exact numbers? Don't ask me, I have no idea. Now, as far as the real estate market itself, June was another very busy month in real estate. Now, I know we're in August and I'm talking about June, but for real estate, statistics are always lagging by a month or two. So bear with me in terms of the timing. So it's been a very busy month in June. COVID cases, of course, are starting to rise again, unfortunately, across California, across the US. And what that has caused is a buyer's fatigue. With the way the market has been in the past 12 months, it seems like buyers are getting really tired of fighting with this very difficult market. It's been caused by record high median prices all across the country, just really, really high prices, historically low inventory. A lot of people have been very shy about putting their homes on the market, although it seems like it's starting to open up a little bit. Let's just hope it continues in that direction. Of course, we have a record high percentage of sales over list price. People are overbidding on these homes that are selling $10,000s of dollars, sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars over the asking price. So definitely buyers are getting tired of this. Record low days on the market. Properties are selling very fast. You have to work with an agent who is very much in touch with the market and who is really quick at showing you properties so that you can get on it before they get sold. And of course, historically low mortgage rates has also been causing this buyer's fatigue, believe it or not, because it's made the market very, very active and very difficult for people to buy properties. So we've had some clients who've actually decided to stay on the sideline, hoping that things would quiet down. It seems like maybe it's helping a little bit because we're seeing a little bit more of inventory coming on the market. That's the good news. The number of active listings for sale on the MLS has been rising for a few weeks consecutively. This means that home buyers will have more choices, more options when they search the MLS. And also the number of days on market, it seems like, is getting a little bit longer. So properties are not selling quite as fast. So for people who are putting their homes on the market right now, my recommendation would be don't overreach in terms of your list price. Try to be smart, try to listen to your agent, look at the comps, and don't overreach. You will still get a great price in this market. Just don't try to overreach, otherwise your property might just sit on the market longer than you were expecting. So in conclusion, prices are not expected to fall anytime soon. It seems like the forbearance, people who were hoping to buy foreclosures, that doesn't seem to be happening either. There's a very low number of people who are actually filing for forbearance, which is basically trying to make a deal with your lender to delay the payment. Right now, there's only about 4% of homes in forbearance, which is relatively low. So if you were hoping to look at that option to buy a home, it doesn't look like it's really gonna help much in terms of accessibility to the market. There's more likely to the market is more likely to continue to rise. Prices are more likely continue going to rise, just not at the same pace as what we had before, not at the same accelerated pace, but prices so far seem to still continue going up. So if you're a buyer and you're hoping for a crash, if you're hoping to buy a foreclosure, if you're hoping for prices to go down, I don't have a crystal ball, so I can't tell you what's going to happen in the next 12 months, but at least in the next 3 to 8 months, it looks like prices are continuing to rise. And so if you want to buy, now is a great time because interest rates are still low. Take advantage of it. And if you are a seller, well, it's a great time as well. Just don't be don't reach too much, too high. Otherwise, your property might stay on the market too long. But otherwise, you're still going to get a great price. It's a great market to sell your home. And definitely, recommend that if you're thinking of selling, now is a great time. If you have any questions regarding your specific situation, as always, give us a call, send me an email. I will answer in all confidentiality, of course. And stay safe out there. And we'll see you in our next video. Thanks for checking in. Take care. Bye-bye.